Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. What's your hometown? What's your hometown? What's your hometown? I'm from San Francisco, California. I'm from San Francisco, California. I'm from San Francisco, California. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? No, I'm serious. No, I'm serious. No, I'm serious. How much is it to Seattle? How much is it to Seattle? How much is it to Seattle? $300. What's new with you? What's new with you? What's new with you? I've got a new place to live. I've got a new place to live. I've got a new place to live. Why are you returning this sweater? Why are you returning this sweater? Why are you returning this sweater? Because it's not the right size. Because it's not the right size. Because it's not the right size. What's that called? What's that called? What's that called? It's an automated teller. It's an automated teller. It's an automated teller. Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you all right? Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine.
Thanks for watching the video.